Hello everyone and welcome to my another stream of making my oh here comes a fox making my chicken farming game. And yesterday I went streaming, but some of my friends came and we talked about a little bit of politics, so I made that stream private. So I hope YouTube don't ruins the algorithm for me, although I'm not getting any views now. But I hope YouTube understand that I am doing it consistently. Oh, also I'm having my green tea here, and let's just start. Okay, let's bring up our Notion where we did our planning. If you go to Notion real quick, and this is the this was the plan so far. Let me squeeze this. Okay, so we are working on this one, right? And we were almost finished making all the icons, but I think, let's see, I don't know which files I did make or did not make. I forgot. Let me bring all the icons I made yesterday. In sprites, let's make another folder called entity UI. I don't know what else to name it. Okay, entity UI, and oh, I forgot to open my dashboard. Okay, now we're stuck. All right, entity UI. Let's go there, and it's on OneDrive documents as sprite, right? So let me grab those. Why did it go to OneDrive? I shouldn't go to OneDrive, but anyway. Okay, so here are the icons we made yesterday. I hope they're visible in this panel though. I just did randomly drew this, so let's bring it here. It's cat sniper icon, it's the chicken icon, we have the market icon, we have the clicker icon, we have the coop. Oh, we brought the wrong file. Delete this. We have the coop, we have the egg catcher, we have the firecracker. We did not make the guard cat. We were closed and the electricity went, so I had to close the stream in haste. Linsad, hello Linsad, how are you, man? I don't think I know you, or do I know you? But thank you for joining, because I'm saying this because only my friends come to view my stream. Then I have the factory icon and the trap icon. I hope you are doing all right. Let's create let's go and complete this icon here, the guard cat. I think guard cat is the last one we need. So guard cat, Am I blind or something? I can't find it. So open recent. No, it's not here. Oh, no worries, we'll just create a new one. 64. It's alright. And let's draw a rectangle for our cat face. The color was this one. Let's give it an eye. Okay. And let's give it a nose, some whiskers, and we can't forget the ear here, so let's give him very simple ear. They don't match, but it's alright. And to distinguish from it being a card, we can give it a sword. A sword or a shield, I'm not sure yet. Let's give it a shield here, sword here. I think Lean's at 4366 left, but it's alright. I just lost my only viewer right now. But I should have talked to him with a little bit more. Should have asked how is he doing, what's up and stuff. I think I fumbled up. Scheiße. Why did I have to mess up? And let's give a sword. Let's make it a sword, okay? I hope it's understandable that this is a sword and not some random thing here. Who is Linshot? I don't know anyone named Linshot. Kire Bajon. What's up? What's up, Bing? And let's save it as a cat. Let's save it as cat. Say guard cat icon. And save. Maybe I should make the sword a bit bigger, but I will. Let's try to make it a little bit big here. Let's select this and let's whoa, let's rotate it. Yes sir. I think there's a thing called rod sprite which makes it less noisy if you rotate them. And let's bring it to, let's bring this layer behind and where I can't, what's wrong with this cursor, bro? Okay, maybe I can add a shield as well, I don't know. Let's settle it here. Okay, let's clear this up. Let's save it and export as PNG. And now if we go back here, let's import this as well. So we have, come on, we should have a guard cat icon. There we go, there we go. So I think we have all the icons, but we are not sure if they will look good or not. Okay, so let's try. And also I wanna try out a new thing, that instead of is this good? Yeah, I was wondering if I could zoom using the field of view instead of you know, changing the height here. Currently it does by changing the height, but I don't like that, so I was thinking if I could do this using this field of view. Anyway, let's change the icons. So if we go to our market, and we have all the market items, I think, and it should be the image here, which contains it shows no sprite for some reason. Why is that? Because it's in the data, right. Thumbnail. I forgot everything I did. So then it should be okay. So let's go to sprite again, and our entity UI. Let's give it a okay. I have to make a sprite out of it. I forgot. So 2D sprite and GUI and UI, my bad. Single, and the pixel per units are 64. No filter, apply, and oh, this is going to be time consuming. Where's my data again? Prefab, not prefab, it's producers. And in chicken we're gonna, let's lock it so that I don't mess it up. Let's go to sprites, entity UI, and let's give it this one. Let's see if it looks good. Payne, are you still here? If you are still watching this, then give me some sign. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time. I don't know why. Oh my god. So the icon is here, but I don't think it's visible enough, you know. It's bothering me. Well, I will reduce the blurriness and that might fix it. So let's go with the other sprites, and this is also going to be a sprite. It's going to be 64. It's going to be single, and there are going to be no filter, and apply. Also for this one, single, 64, apply. Can I do bulk edit? Can I do bulk edit? A texture to it. Okay, so this is going to be this. This is going to be 64. This is going to be no point, and apply. And did it work? not multiple, single apply, and yep, it worked. Only if I could make another window for project. Can I do that? Layout, panel, console, project. No. If I could only open another project, I could like side by side do that. Let's go to producers again, I guess. Producers, then we have chicken market and thumbnail. Let's search for chicken market icon. There we go. Clicker. Let's go clicker cat icon. This is the one. For egg boy, let's look for egg cat icon. Firecracker, we have a firecracker icon as well. We just did our cart. Oh. Yep, I made a typo here. Very nice, very nice. Then we have meat factory. Let's do meat factory icon. We have meat lover cat. We should have a meat cat icon as well. For pen, it is going to be coop. Yep. And sniper cat should be sniper cat icon. And sound trap should have sound. Oh, just trap icon. Okay, let's hit refresh and let's try. Okay, I can barely understand what each icon is in this mode, so I am going full screen mode real quick. Play focused, play maximized, and play. This is not bad, but not good either. You can barely tell that what each icon does, so I think this is not a good icon pack here. Also, the background color isn't good. I'll need to put something light in the background. Okay, so let's go to market item and let's change the color here. Let's do something very light like this. Let's play. And now this is somewhat understandable. I don't think people can understand what this icon means in the mobile though, because it's going to be so small. I think the cat one is okay. This does the clicking. Oh my god, I can barely understand my writing. Let's I think we should reduce the blurriness here. We should reduce the blurriness, but how do I reduce the blurriness? That I have forgot. I forgot how I added the blurriness. Is it in the post-processing volume though? Finite lens distortion. What does it do? No, this is like the warp effect, if I'm correct. So where is it? I think it's in shader. Yep, I think this is the one. Let's play. not maximized. Let's play focused, and we should disable the blurriness. Okay, so this should make it blurry or not blurry, I think. Yep, let's put it to 0 here, and there's no line. The line's not working. I mean, they're not moving for some reason, but I also don't want any line. I am removing the blurriness of the text as well, so I think it's good. Am I audible though? Text as well? Yeah, I think I'm good. Okay, so this is good enough. I think this is good enough. So let's oopsie. And did it become 0? It became 0. Let's give it a save and let's build it. It's been long since we updated our build, so let's build it and push to each item. Build profile, build, and this is going to be 0.0.18. This is going to be our 18th build. Not, oh, does not exist. I need to create. Okay, we'll create one. Not our 18th build, but 18th iteration of things. Okay, 0.18. Let's select this and select folder, and let's wait for it to build. And in the meanwhile, I don't know what can we do. In the meanwhile, we can play the game in the browser. So we have fills a plane. It's not here because it's not published yet. So is it in my library? No. Dashboard. Yep. And here I have chicken farm C. As you can see, it's still in draft. We can go to our chicken farm, give it a play. Oh, why is it like this? Okay. Oh, there we go. No need to read this. Is a blah 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 blah. Some context. And there we talk to our mother and go to farm. And we have a bug here. We are by default on the sandbox. I mean, not in a sandbox, but you have infinite money. And here you can see that the chicken grows up too fast and they lay egg very fast. So very soon, from only few chicken, the whole landscape is infested with these eggs, which we don't want. That's why we increase the maturity level and interval of the laying eggs. How's our build going? It's still building. So since we are here, we can also check out Do you see? I can barely keep up with the eggs. We should also show you automation thing I was working on. So if you buy a coop and if you place 6 chicken, and if you put another coop, I don't think you can put a coop here. You have to remove this and then you add a coop. Looks ugly though. We'll fix it. If we put another chicken, this will go this way. No. Yes, I didn't let the fox steal any chicken. Good job, me. So if we get a buyer, the thing that buys chicken, and it will drop a chicken like this, and it will create a chain. It will move like a conveyor belt. See? So let's put another one here. And these are not laying eggs, but if you click them, they will create a crate, okay? Chicken crate, which is more profitable. And to do that, I have these orange chickens. They are like clickers. They will automatically click your housing. How did you see? Did you see? Yes, sir. It only works on 2 units for now. The farm and the meat factory. So let's put a dude here and it should work. Okay, they are laying eggs here. Okay, yeah, they laid eggs, and we can also have, let's get rid of you. This will sell any meat that is nearby, and we are getting the eggs. I think our build is done. Very good, and we'll just push it in the web. So you saw how the game works. Let's go to draft here real quick, and in our build folder we'll create a zip, compress to zip, and this is what we're going to upload. So in upload files, let me just copy this URL. It would have been cool if I could just grab it and try it here, but it doesn't work. And we're pasting. Let's go there, and there it is. So let us build and let it build on screen, friends, so we can survival in our life. Okay. I don't like green tea. They're bitter, very bitter. And this is be played in the browser. Let's hide this from being downloaded. And I have till version 12. Oh, 10. I missed version 11 somehow. Anyway, I think I kept them so that I can make videos of them and show a progress on how the game has changed. Okay, so let's give it a save and view page, and I hope it works. So this is being launched for the first time. Let's go here. Can I go full screen? Can't go full screen. I think I can go full screen now. Whoa, you see the resolution here? Very wild. dear employee, you are being fucked. And oh, and here it says let's go. I think the icon looks good. Okay, the icon looks good here. It's black right now, so if I click, the issue is that can barely understand if it's oh, do you see the curvature of this thing? Nice. it it almost feels like we're running around artist round theory. Okay, uh the problem is the chicken is visible, but it's not understandable that is it viable or not. I think you can see it on the stream. Let me check. Yes, you can see it on the stream because the resolution is kind of wrong. And yeah, there you go. You see, it's not understandable that this is playable or not. So how we can do that? That's a good question. How can we do that? Are we gonna spend time fixing the icons, or are you going to actually work on the game? Oops. The icon is important. What can we do? Here comes the fox and took away our chicken. So should I fix the icon? I should work on that. I should work on the chicken. I mean the icon. So let's go to a sprite again. What we can do? What we can do? Can change the color here, so maybe we pick color bucket and give it white. Oops, not you, and this one, the sword one, should be white too, I guess, or not. Because currently it's barely Control C. Currently it's fairly understandable that if icon is viable or not. I think the color scheme is a bit bad. I'd say dark bluish, and that's causing the issue here. So let's change the color. Let's give it this one. Scheiße. Let's give it this one. No. And that way it won't be visible at all. So what we can do? if if an item is purchasable, we will look at this. Look at this. Okay, so if it's purchasable, this will be visible. Otherwise, there will be a transparency, I think. So let's see what we did for making it interactable or not interactable, and somehow this is not a prefab anymore. What should have been a prefab? In the script, let's go to the script. And let's go a little bit under and look for preview, prefab, actual prefab, obstacle, price text, grid size, panel, activation delay. Okay, so where are we changing the color here? Let's search for colors. Not color, color, and okay, so if current price is greater than, gray out the instance for better visibility. Otherwise, let's keep it white, which makes sense, but let's also add alpha. And now if we try to play, and this should work out. Oh, no worries, I'll just go to play mode and now it's all right, I think. Yep. Chicken, 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 grub, 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 grub. It grew up. And egg, 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 egg. Give me more egg. Egg, 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 egg. More oigo bitte. I think I spoke in German. Yay. And another thing I wanted to check was the zooming effect, right? So let's go to our camera, and if I increase the FOV, I think the zooming is all right. And that way, if I go over the tree, it shouldn't be an issue. Increasing the FOV. Very smart. Sure, you are very smart, but not increasing the FOV, it's like more of decreasing the FOV. So it's going to be in between 60 to it's 60 to, let's say, 20. The issue is that then I can't see what's out there. That's the issue. So let's not do this, and let's play it little bit of safe here. Let's zoom, but let's not zoom too much. So 5, right? Just around the zoom that, oh my bad, my bad. Just around the zoom that won't cut any of our let's here I think we have main zoom, and let's make it to 6, and it's not working. Let's click main camera and let's give it to 6. Zoom speed 0.5. Okay. And yep. This is a very bare minimum zoom, I might say. And this is not a good zoom. It just goes lower. It should zoom in where your cursor is, right? It just goes a bit lower, nothing else. And the zooming on the mobile is also a nightmare. So okay, I need to exit the play mode to save. So let's save our progress there, and I think we need another build and run build profile. Let's go to build. Let's delete this one because we're going to do another 0.0.08. okay, and select. So our game is building, and in the meanwhile we can recheck our targets here, like what we can do for our next step. I think we have completed this one somewhat, so let's say somewhat completed this one. SFX in sounds and game, this is going to be lengthy progress, okay? Lengthy progress. And visual feedback for selecting and deselecting range. I think I wanna keep the players blind about this. I don't know. I feel like they don't need to know the range. Fixing the screen closing menu. What was that? I forgot. Oh, right. I think this one is a bit important. This one's important. Then we should add a tutorial, and after going to tutorial we should go beta, open beta. We should definitely go open beta. Then we have card phase upgrades, buildings to invest to get upgrades, more enemies. We need alien ship, slime, we need beer, wolf, rat. This one is a very important feature so that people don't misuse the infesting egg spawning. I mean, very soon when you will have like 20 to 30 chickens, they will lay so much eggs that you won't be able to control. How much is it? Okay. Prestige system, it would be difficult. At end game, we can do this now. I think all we need is a game over menu and a logic that says if your money is below 0, total money is below 0, then the game is over. So let's try this first. This one first. Screen closing menu. Think we can easily do that. I have a hunch you can easily do that. Maybe I should share my stream as well. No one's watching and there's nothing to talk about. It's alright. I think very soon I will have more viewers. I hope so. So let's go to links and go to link here. Here, and let's just upload the.
Today we are going to.
Oh, it's still here. We did this yesterday. I'd like to thank. I should have said thanks to him. Here we go to draft and upload this one. We'll delete this one, and yes, I confirm. It's already 16 megabyte. Damn. And we go to option. Oh, we did not compress it yet, so let's delete this one, take this one and compress it to zip. Yep, done. Let's select this, and it's uploading in the browser. Okay, save, and that would be it. Let's give it a try, and let's run game. We have to go through this every time, blah blah blah, and go, and here we are. Chicken, crab. Well, I sold it early, my bad. Oh my god, I'm losing money very fast. Now I'll sell it. 30. Click, grow up very fast. Did you see the number did not change? I need to fix that as well. So many bugs here. It's not even complete. The game isn't even complete and there's already so many bugs. Oh no, it does change. I don't know why it did not in the last time. Let's try again. You see, it did not change. I have to take a good look at it. So, let's close the game. Let's go to Unity again. Let's first fix the issue where the amount is not updated. Let's check that. We go to prefab and then go to our chicken, and in the chicken script, oh, not here. Chicken, and this one, and on mature. And when this happens, we should update the value here. So if I'm not correct, event bus dot money changed. I don't know. If let's go event bus anyway, and let's look for appropriate event. So on producer selected, not this one, deselected. Money change. I don't know what this one do. Money changed. It's game manager event plus. It's just updates the total money, not the one we want. So maintenance changed. Maintenance changed info. Let's say game manager update maintenance impact maintenance changed total maintenance. Okay. So not in event first. So if we click it, and if it becomes mature, on mature, oh, on mature, where do we update the value here? Interesting, I forgot where I update the value. Click on game manager, select producer, instance dot click power. If it's selected and the price changes, it should update in the UI as well, right? But it's not. So I have to go to the UI and cell panel mount. This is the one. Okay. There's nothing. I think there should be an UI manager where, there we go, cell panel, and when doesn't update. So I have cell panel, selling panel, when set active, false, on enabled. Okay, let's give it a Control F and false. Oh, I have 3 views. Insane. I thought I'll be having 0 views tonight. But selling panel and active and on producer selected, we make it true and we make this okay. And this is a private value, right? Yeah. What can we do? Okay, so where is it called? It's called in UI manager. Where is it's subscribed to on producer selected? I think chicken is the only one that has 2 stages, so maybe I can do something like if game manager dot instant dot selected producer is equal to this, then what it can do is reselect this. Okay, so game manager dot instant dot select producer, and it takes a producer and we give it this again. So now if I try, this should update the price. Let's try. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Let's wait for it to get matured and let's wait. Should I click once more? No. How long does it take, bro? Oh my god, it's still not working. If I click it again, it works, but if it gets mature, it does not. Come on. Oh, there we go. It does not work. So I think I need to put it in the not here, because if I go select producer, it does though. Select event bus or selected producer, it does though. And why does it not work? And if I go to event manager again, let's open the script and come on producer selected. This is subscribed to on producer selected, so it should work, but it's not. What the hell? Oh, is it because we are not passing this we are not passing this condition here? Is it because of that? Let's give it a debug log here. Debug.log on mature outside, and let's give it up here on mature inside. Let's see if it's being called or not. So if we go here, let's play it again. We are just fixing bugs. Oh, let's open the console and click to the chicken, clicked a lot, so it should be maturing anytime soon. Okay, matured on the outside and matured inside, so it's working. Okay, so let's pause it here. So it's working and we're calling this function, and producer selected. We are also calling this, right? Go to here and invoke producer selected. Okay, so let's go to our UI manager again. UI manager, come on, here you are. And on producer selected, let's debug here. Debug.log, and let's print the producer dot on price at sell. Okay, serve dot price at sell. So let's play, and this is where it might be not working. And get mature now, anytime now. Yep. And okay, so it's still showing 2. It's still showing 2. But if I click it again, it's showing 30. So I think the issue is if I go to our let's debug, let's close this out. Okay, I need to stop the game as well, otherwise it's going to yell
Stop
at
the
me.
cap, bro.
Whoa. How are you, man? What's up?
Bro, doing fine. Doing alright, bro.
Doing all right. Nice.
Yeah. How's your day, bro?
I was reading the book called System Design Interview all day.
God damn.
And it was very
When is your next
boring.
interview? When is your next interview?
My next interview is on 26th. From Shazam.
26. Oh, okay. I have a coding test tomorrow. And
I forgot
I'm
the
not very
kite games.
and I'm not yeah, and I'm not very confident about it, bro.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. You don't have to get in kite games. I mean, if you are good enough for kite games, then you should apply in Google or Amazon.
That is true. That is true. Funnily enough.
Okay, it's working now. So we were one step closer. Okay, so Abir, I was thinking. Okay.
You've been thinking about me? Huh?
No. I was thinking that before us, every software engineer was making so much money, and then
That is true.
when we started our university, the COVID happened. Okay, and
That is true.
for a slight moment, the industry boomed even more, and
Yep.
and then AI happened, and the industry is starting to dry up, and now because of the Epstein files and stuffs, we have a hunch, like not for a fact, but we have a hunch that someone is controlling the world. Okay, it feels very real to believe that.
Assume that.
Yes,
Yeah.
assume that someone is
It is
pulling the
very
string.
believable.
So
Yes.
how do you like, well, do you not feel any guilt or remorse? Not guilt, like frustrated that
Hopelessness.
that
Do I feel hopelessness?
you are in a dystopian world, kind of a dystopian world. I don't know, should I call it dystopian?
Yeah. That is true that so much chaos is going on and we do not know what we have in the future. There might be a war tomorrow. We don't know. But I think still we should do what we are doing. We should still continue grinding, continue studying, continue doing what we do. Because I think there might be some opportunities left. The opportunities are low, right, compared to
Yes.
uh, pre-COVID era or pre-COVID era or pre-Trump era, but opportunities are low now. But still, if we're lucky, we can get into any uh, company or research or university. I think we still can get into we can still make money on those opportunity.
It's, yeah, I think there's still opportunity because we are seeing people like jacuzzi coder, there are people who are thriving in this
Yeah,
line.
that is true. That
Like
is true.
I I don't
You,
know
you just
why I
have to
can't.
be you just have to be a more fake version of yourself to attain those heights, I think.
Let's see.
Because I don't believe that he has a lot of skill over us, right? I don't think
Okay,
he's like too much ahead of us. But what he has is his selling skill. He can sell himself very well, bro. He can sell himself very fucking well. That's the problem. And we cannot
so
do that. And the world is being controlled by uh, the group who must not be named,
right,
but
Voldemort.
Voldemort. Yes, the world is currently controlled by the Voldemort, but still, uh, we can do what we are doing and get good at it, and then attain some kind of success, some kind of opportunity we can uh, strike, right?
I believe so. It's a hard time, but it is what it is. Such is life. I don't know
Such is life. It is a very
what
hard time.
more what more coping sentence we have. It is what it is, and such
it's
is life.
it is what it
Happens to
is.
best of us.
If it's to the best of us, everything will be fine, bro. Nothing really matters.
Nothing really matters. Right.
Bro, nobody controls the world, bro. This is just a propaganda, bro.
I mean, it's things align so perfectly that it's hard to believe that no one's controlling the world.
Bro, the thing is, the main problem is the the main problem is the upcoming wars, I think. Now, there might be some time before that happens. There might be 10 or 20 years before the war start.
What war? Like, what kind of war are we talking about?
There will be, I think there will be a lot of mini wars between countries like Iran, Israel, USA, Russia, China. Then ultimately that will lead to a big war and potentially a world war. But before
Um,
that, I think we should hoard as much as money resource as possible before that happens.
mm, money.
Now I think now I believe that my views are kind of nihilistic. I
Unrealistic or realistic? What do you mean?
no, nihilistic, that
Nihilistic.
everything
Oh,
will be doomed. Yes, that everything will be doomed. But I think if we believe that there's some kind of war is cooking in the West, if we believe that, then that war, no matter how time it takes, it will be a big war. It will be an open war. So I think we should do what we are doing. We should continue, resume our grinding. Then ultimately, when war unfolds, we'll have enough resource or money to at least mitigate the damage. I don't think we can fully stop that. I don't think we can fully stop the effect of the war. It will reach us no matter what, but we can mitigate some part of it if we have enough resource or money, I think.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I was thinking about like, is like if you keep lands or goals, how is that going to help? To think.
I mean, it will help in this way. Let's say we gotta move country, we gotta flee somewhere, and there is no government, right? So some
Right.
third party is taking some money and flying you there to the exit. So only the rich will be able to exit, not us. So I was thinking about this type of scenarios. I might be wrong. I don't know. I haven't faced any war since my birth, so I'm just speculating.
Scary days. Scary days. What happened? So, what are you going to do now? Like, now, just right now. What are you up to? Like, what's up, dog? Oh, he left. It's alright. We had a good talk. Oh, he came back. Bro, what's up?
Yo, my
What
internet
happened?
just disconnected.
You use dognet?
I indeed used Dognet.
Nice. So I was asking, what are we going to do now? Like, right now, what are we going to do?
I don't know. Study, business, job.
I mean, I didn't mean like a plan. I was asking, like, are you going to have a dinner now? Are you going to play games?
Oh, right now I don't think I'll have dinner at probably 11:30 p.m. or 12 a.m. I'm not sure about it. I'm just chill a bit, study for tomorrow's exam.
Yeah, I should like definitely study a bit because it's going to
Yeah,
help you not tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then in
then
future, of course, in
yeah,
future.
yes, that is true.
I think I will stream till 11 p.m. and I will go back to study as well. I had a random viewer today. Do you know like Lean Sad? You know Lean Sad?
Huh?
Do you know anyone named Lean Sad?
No. Who is Linsa?
I don't
I
know.
don't know.
Someone, a random person who came and watched my stream and left. So I felt pretty good about it. That algorithm is doing its work.
Algorithm is bringing new people.
I hope so. I don't think I'll be good enough a streamer of the Fuchkawala. I was thinking about that as well.
You wanna beat Pushka Baba?
Fuchkawala, yes. I wanna beat that guy. Dude. Every time I see
Bro,
him, I
I
get so
heard,
mad. I want. I don't know. Yeah, what did you hear?
bro, I heard he earns like fucking 10, 15 lakhs per month.
Impossible, bro. Impossible.
And he was once invited in a office recreational meeting of AGT, and I heard
Yeah.
his charge was 1 lakh.
Oh my god.
Oh
Does he do
my
tricks
god.
though? Like, what does he do besides making the
He
puchka? Does he
okay.
make
He
stand-up jokes or anything? Like, what does he
no
do?
no no. He just makes pushka and video the event, make reels, and there was a singing event happening in the meetup. So he made two reels where everyone sang with him, and he posted that uh,
Oh, so
in his
I
YouTube
think
or TikTok, whatever
his business is then making
content.
advertisements
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
showing off.
So
Like, if people want to show
yeah,
off, then hire this guy.
yeah. So
Influence
probably
for hire.
somebody in AGT said we need marketing. Who should we hire? We hired the Fuchsia guy because he'll make some videos and spread the news. AGT is a valid company or something
Ah,
like that.
right, right. I mean, that's a good strategy as well, but
Yeah,
I don't like that guy. I
bro.
he's
I don't like AGT. I don't like the Fuchka guy. How about that?
yeah. How much money you think he will ask me if I tell him to play my game and make a reel out of it?
Oh damn. I don't know. Probably 1 lakh,
Damn, bro.
50K. I don't know.
Ah, that's too much. That I don't have that much money.
Bro, he got a shit ton of money, bro. He's not a fucking small type of celebrity. He like fucking Bangladeshi brain rot bangus. Watch him like he's like some red carpet celebrity or something. Bollywood superstar or something. I don't know. But he got a lot
Mm,
of views. He got millions of views in some reels. I don't know how.
I mean, when he started, like he had 100 or 300 views, kind of like that. I watched his reel, okay, and he was trying to
Yeah,
speak
same.
in English, and I used to share it with some of our guy like Sreshto or Ifti, I don't remember. But I was saying
Uh,
that look, a Fuchkawala is trying to be a content
his
creator,
hardest.
which is good. He's making a passive income, okay? And suddenly I see him like 1 month or two
Succeeding,
months
and now you're
later,
his enemy.
and not only succeeding, like he seems very cocky about it, okay? That's my issue. He flexes money
I
on the
mean,
people who is making him rich.
Mama, money gets the better of us.
Money gets
Money
the
changes
better of
people, bro.
us. True, 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 true.
I probably 2 or 3 months ago watched a reel of his. He was talking about fucking going somewhere to do a business meeting in a Rolls Royce with some fucking other
Right. I
celebrities.
think I think I saw that.
And he was bragging about his Rolls Royce and always mentioning the name. I was like, damn, nigga,
Rolls
fuck.
Royce. Yeah, he made videos with other content creators as well. I think I
Yeah,
saw.
and I think he has other businesses that he doesn't disclose. He has other businesses, 100%. He probably does a social media agency, if I'm not wrong. And he also has some various shops in some good places.
Oh,
he invested his initial money on like good businesses that produced him more money. So yeah.
Hmm. Right. It's believable. There's some, beggars who has how do I say, buildings, who
Yes,
has buildings
houses.
in their houses in their
Yeah,
village, and
yes,
they
I know.
still beg because
Yes,
that's more money than normal jobs.
yeah, that is true. The more I think about it, the more I feel like there is no money in being educated. There is no money in the education business, bro. There is no money in education at all. Like it is like uh education is like a human service. Like we're doing to create something new to make other people's life better, to research some, if you're in medical, to research some antidote, if you're in engineering, to research up some new algorithm to solve more complex problem, if you're in
Mm-hmm.
physics, to
Mm-hmm.
invent something new that will help and pave the way in space exploration. Like education is like philanthropy. It's like helping others. There's some money in it. And every I always search internet. I always open the internet and see the people who got money are who doesn't have any education. People with money are the people who are loud with less IQ.
I don't know about the IQ part, but yes, people who are loud. Yeah, did you see the video where Linus Travolta and Linus Tech was building a PC?
uh there's a lot of video about it. Which one? Oh,
The
Linus
Linus
Torvald.
Tech Tips
Yeah, yeah.
and Torvald.
Yes,
My
yes.
my
I
bad.
was.
I said
That
Travolta.
is one. That is my point. Uh, let's say we take Elon Musk and Linus Torvald. Who is more richer?
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. But he, but Elon Musk is nowhere near intelligent as Linus Torvald. I would debate with people because Linus Torvald was like a genius. He
Yeah.
did
So
so much stuff from
so the
scratch.
Linus Tech Tip asked him that does he feel bad that his technology, like the Git, the Unix
Uh,
system,
yes,
like these are the backbones of the Amazon cloud system, Google,
yes,
Microsoft. So they are
yeah.
billionaires, and maybe he's a billionaire too. I don't know. But does it make him mad? But he said no, it doesn't. He's not bothered because he is
Oh, he's the
okay with
brother.
his
Yeah.
life. You know, that's something
I
good.
mean, he probably might be a billionaire, but he's nowhere near the like top 50 chart or like top 20 chart. But he could. He had the assets, he had the potential, but he didn't choose the evil path. He chose the good path and made everything open source.
Yeah, and and if you look at Elon Musk, like that absolute monkey, he's from South Africa, right? And
Yes, it's
and he is like making people racist. Like in
yeah,
Germany,
he's
he's
like
coming in live conference and telling them you should deport the immigrants, you should get rid of the
yes.
Muslims. I
Bro,
mean,
I saw a meme about in Twitter. If anybody says anything about white supremacy, Elon Musk thumbs up.
Elon Musk thumbs up, right? And I think South Africa was an apartheid state. I think they were the
Yeah, it
racist
was.
nation, right? Nelson
Yep.
Mandela, yeah. And he came from there, and he is doing it again because
Yep.
and nobody's stopping him because he has money.
Yes, sir. Very is true.
How did Elon Musk get rich? Like, how did he get rich?
Uh, I do not know the details, but I heard he initially there was a risk of being bankrupt about Tesla,
Okay.
and there's a point where he was almost bankrupt about Tesla and SpaceX. So he had to make a decision which company to save, and he took a gamble that he has to pull the resources from one company to another to save that. So he can only choose one to fully focus on that company, right? So if he want SpaceX to succeed, he cannot maintain Tesla, or if he want Tesla to succeed, he cannot maintain SpaceX. But what he did was he split his assets equally between two and struggle for some time, and ultimately
How
both were.
how how did he got money to build Tesla and SpaceX?
Oh, his father was super rich. I heard in a Joe Rogan podcast, his father had a fucking uh, Elon Musk's brother, and in a podcast with his brother, probably Joe Rogan or Franklin. I have no clue. I forgot. But but when he was asked, "Yeah, how did he get his money?" He said his father was rich, like super rich.
Right, right, right. Hmm. Makes sense. Makes sense now.
Makes sense. Makes sense. I don't know, man. I don't know how we can achieve success. How can we get like 1/100th of the money he has? How can I achieve that, bro?
Uh, you should like sell stuffs. If you, I mean, this is very true, but I don't think I'll be able to do it because I'm not a good salesperson. But you get rich by selling stuff, not working for someone else. So if you can sell something, not yourself, not your service, like sell a product, then I think you can. I saw a video last night that there's a guy who sold pet rock. It's just a rock and there's two googly eyes, and he sold it and became a millionaire. And that was his product idea. It doesn't have to
Yeah,
be
I think.
super effective or like super good.
Yeah,
It
you
just
just
have to be wacky enough, like people should get interested in it.
true. True, that is true. I think if we want to make money, there is no alternative to a business, some kind of business.
Yes, 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 yes.
Uh, yo, Yo, I'll be back. I need to
Oh,
lock in.
sure, man. Good luck.
But I'll be back, bro.
Okay. Okay, so since my friend is gone, and let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm trying to so if you click on the empty space here, like empty space here, this should be hide out. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. So in hide all y, we're gonna do this. Okay, set active equal to selling panel, delete panel, cancel panel, buy panel. Buy panel should be I'm not what is buy panel? I don't remember. I think yeah, whatever. Let's give it deactivate. Set activate is equal to true, and on disable we gotta disable. Oops, say it's on disable is already there. I just gotta not subscribe here. Okay, and we also need to deselect the object, maybe. I'm not sure, so let's give it a try. So if I click an empty space, this goes hidden like this. This is what we wanted, but it's not going away, right? We gotta take it away. So this was the issue that I was talking about. Why is it not working? Okay, so if I have this open and if I click this changes, but if I click it again, oh, go away. Weird. Oh, did you see? If I click here again, it's not consistent. So I gotta figure out why, and if it's open and if you click on the blank space, it's not going away, and I gotta do that as well. So we are almost there. I just need another script here, which should be detail button or control panel. Cancel, delete. No, this is not it. Not group object details. I think this is the one. Okay, CPS level. Okay, this is the one. So we have the here, and let's subscribe to on enable. Let's subscribe to event pass dot clicked on blank space on click on blank space plus equal height. Oh, UI, good. UI, and if I create a method here, and let's do a one visible as well. Why are you like this? Oh, we already have a one visible, so let's do event pass on to minus UI. Okay, and here we are going to, okay, which one is going to get active and true false? Okay, description panel, right? So we gotta say description set active equal to false, and it should work. I don't know why the previous thing wasn't working well, so I gotta check that as well. And if we go play now, and this, oh, it's not working. Why is it not working? Console log, come on. Yeah, these are going away, right? This is not going away. Let's see what's happening here. Set active will go to false. I'm doing it properly here, right? Let's make a debug log here to see if I am doing it wrong. Debug.log description UI here. And let's play again and let's see what's happening. And if I get a chicken here, let's click it here and see, it's not, the click is not working. It is working, but if I'm working here, I mean clicking here, then it's not registering the event for some reason, and I don't know why that's not working. This is frustrating as fuck. So let's see. Let's get you here. Not that it's going to solve anything, but I want you to be here. And let's go to unclick backspace and why is it here, right? And let's debug log here. Pointed down. Let's see if when this is active and it's working. So let's give it a play. Let's get a chicken here and it's working. Open up the description and yep, it's working. But whoa, it's working, but this is not going away. This is interesting. So are we on the correct script though? Details panel, yeah, it should be in the correct place here. So if see, this is working, so it's working, right? Yep. Then why is it not working? let's look at our script again. We are registering to click on blank space. Okay, and we are subscribing to subscribe, then you desubscribe, unsubscribing, and we're calling hide all UI. So we are setting this to, this is not being logged, so this function is not being called, right? I think so. Did we not do the same thing in UI manager here? Yep, hide all UI, we set everything to false. So what's the issue here? Hide all UI, hide all UI. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Let's ask ChatGPT real quick. I don't wanna waste too much time here, okay? Sheesh. Sushi? Inka sheesh. Bugün mum kharab. And let's check on this one as well. And this one here as well. Manager.cs. What is this? Why UI not working? Oh, let me bring the Gemini to you if you want to see. I still have some green tea left. This is horrible. Why is it taking so time? Jeez. Finding the disable logic, okay. Just tell me what's wrong, I can fix that. I don't understand, like, this looks alright, right? Here I am subscribing, here I am desubscribing, here I am calling the, oh, because of this is being called first? Not really, but mismatch between your event subscription and subscription. You are subscribing in the unit live method on enable, but you're unsubscribing in the custom public method diesel. What? Game starts, enables run. So what the hell? Really? I have a public disable method. Oh, probably because of that. Damn. Let's do on disable come on, man. Private private void on disable, and get this one here and here, and hope this works. Oh, let's see anything else here. If the feeder doesn't work, check your console log. If you see it in the console and you click the blank space, no, your improvement is not catching the yes, and you can fix the above. Okay, so we're having some memory leak issue, and if you play now it should work. I hope it works. Boom. Whoa. So if I click this, and if I click this, and if I click it again, it doesn't work again, and it works. There is some state management issue here. I think we can fix that as well. So what's happening when we click a button here? Ta-da! On enable on disable description panel, that set active is false. Idle. Okay, on disable. So this one here, description to set active is called true. So why is it not? Why is it? Let's see if our Gemini friend has given any fix here. So on enable, set active is true, false. It here, and let's look for game object here, and if we click, it should enable this, but let's see if we have any other dependencies in the tree here. So panel, parent, details, image. Do we have anything? Do we have anything to call here? I think it's in the market. Okay, and let's look for anything called on click enter or something. So image, this is the one that's causing the issue perhaps. And details panel, is details panel open and false. I think this is where the issue is causing. Okay, so let's look here and here, get component, this is on awake. Okay, we're good. Okay, so this is where enabling the panel, and then we are disabling the panel in toggle. Why we are doing a routine here? I know why. If panel is not equal to null, then we disable the panel. Okay, so I think the issue is here. So the issue is definitely here. How can we fix that? Do we need to register again? This is getting out of hand, like registering everywhere. No. Uh, let's do something else. Okay, so let's say, okay, three of them is here. So let's do something like here we're gonna say details panel dot is active and enabled. Oh, it's not working. Is active and enabled. So if it's not enabled, then we are going to put the data enable, yeah, and else we're gonna disable it. So we don't need that. I think we won't be needing that. It's not being used, so I'll just cross this out and let's give it a try. We're almost at 11 p.m. and I wanted to stream for 2 hours today, so I think we're gonna close the stream real soon. Let's just check if it's working. Okay, and give it a play. My head is so itchy nosy. And bring the, whoa, it's not showing it anymore. All right, you win. I gotta go here again and in the, where are you, sir? Oh, scheiße. So if I go here, details panel, Control F, and go down here, if is active and enabled, it's not working. And why is that? I think it's not entering here. So we have something like active enabled. We have enabled. Let's do a what it does actually. Let's checks whether the component is enabled attached to a game object that is active in the hierarchy, and the components on enable has been called. The issue is this is not a component, this is a game object. So dot enabled, and what it does, let's see. Enable viewers updated, enabled, enabled behaviors are updated, disabled behaviors are not. I don't know what does that mean, but this is a game object, right? So game object dot, okay, I think this works as well. The active state of the game object in the scene hierarchy, true if active, false if inactive. I think this is the one we want, or what is this? The local active state of the game object, true if active, false if inactive. So active in hierarchy. This is what we want, perhaps. This is detailed panel, right? Oh, oh, this is actually a script, not the panel itself. Oh, let's see if it works. It's not working. Why, sir? Why? Why you are not working? See? See? You are not working. You are crushing my balls right now. And I have to go there. Home details panel dot game object dot active in hierarchy. I think it is inactive, right? Details panel. Is it not? Object details. Oh, it's actually active. My bad. My bad, it's actually active. The panel itself is not active. Okay, so if I go to details panel and let's make this public here. Okay, we need to make this public. And in drag to spawn we can do dot details panel. Come on, man. I just made it public, but it's not showing up. Game object description panel. My bad. Let's go here again and dot description panel dot active in hierarchy, and there we go. This time it should work. Okay, oh my god, it's 11 p.m. already. Oh, it's 11:10. Okay, I have 9 more minutes for the stream, and let's see if we can fix the issue by then. Oh my god, please work. It works. Yep, and it works. See, so in the Notion, just like this, so we have our all the bugs. I think most of the bugs are fixed. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is making a tutorial. Add tutorial. Make this a to-do. We need this as a to-do. Oh, why can it be this one here? Can I not put here? Okay, I guess it's not working. Tutorial, and I think we can't have a header as a to do. Add tutorial. Deselecting. Yeah, this one's not complete. This add SFX and sounds in game. It's a broader thing to do. So let's do sound. No. H1, and let's say audio, and let's get you inside here. I think can make another build and load it. So let's make another build here. Build, and we're gonna do 19, and after the tutorial is complete we're gonna do 20, and then we will go beta. So let's give it a new folder called 0.0.19 and select the folder. While it's building, and we can watch some YouTube. Every creator's blueprint exists, blah 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 blah. Most names and shapes. I don't know that. Let's see how RPG not like that. Role like architecture in Unity. Is there something like that? How to make a roguelike, 3 pillars of design. How to fail at making roguelike. What? Let's see how what this guy says. Because I want this game to be big like roguelike when I introduce the card system.
Get a little silly. See? It's so wacky. But one thing that I take very seriously is game development. It's a difficult process that involves hundreds of moving pieces and incredible skill. One genre of game that exemplifies this skill and presents some of gaming's most purposeful design is roguelike. A roguelike is a game in which death is permanent. They have no checkpoints or saving features. It is one run from the start of the game to the end, and because of this, roguelikes can be brutal to beat, and to combat that brutality, they must be diligently designed. There are so many systems and ideas that go into creating a roguelike, but I think that there are 3 core pillars that make up the most important design philosophies.
Alright,
so today, let's have a look at how to design a roguelike. The first destination of roguelike design is simplicity. Roguelikes are best off when they are simple.
Sniper Monkey.
Sniper Monkey.
A lot of roguelikes take already established gameplay systems and turn those into a roguelike. Dead Cells uses Metroidvania, Slay the Spire and Inscription use deck building, and Downwell is a reverse platformer. Building off of a simple and familiar base allows the player to quickly get comfortable and make sense of the core gameplay. It is from here that the roguelikes can build complexity and add difficulty, but those first few sections should be easy to understand. Downwell is the most simple roguelike there is, and yet it is also one of the most fun. The gameplay of falling straight down is consistent for the entirety of your run and means that it never feels as if your character is getting better, but rather that you are. The beauty and the simplicity of a roguelike comes from this feeling of your skill improving and not just the game world changing around you. That's why it's so important that roguelikes stay simple. After a simple base is built, the next necessary design to implement is world structure. By having developed and consistent structure, roguelike games allow the player to place a flagpole down at the point of farthest reach. Separating the game into maps and zones allows the player to feel a sense of progression, to strive to see the end of these zones, and to find out what's next in every life. The 3 layers of Hell and Hades all get progressively less, hellish. This change makes the progression feel more worthwhile, pushing you to go for just one more run of escaping hell as you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. But structure is more than just levels and checkpoints. Roguelikes also need to have a clear map layout, as most of them are procedurally generated. The rooms of Enter the Gungeon allow you to pass through with retained knowledge of what's ahead. Looking at symbols and noticing patterns allows you to quickly make your run to the boss or find important loot, meaning that initial levels become simple as you optimize your run. Building structure into roguelikes makes their milestones feel more rewarding and helps to keep the player engaged for the long haul. The last thing a roguelike must do to succeed is give the player a sense of power. Hey guys, look! I'm overpowered. I'm sorry. It's key
Cringe.
in roguelikes to give the player a
Cringe.
sense of power, to make them feel like they have broken the game even though they will soon find out that they haven't. Creating this power fantasy makes daunting games feel conquerable. It makes the idea of one contiguous run feel a little shorter. The power fantasy of a roguelike is so important because it makes the player truly feel like a hero in a game where mortality and fear often are ever present. Games like Inscription allow you to build busted cards, combining strong abilities and inexpensive materials to create a card that runs through its competition. Similarly, in Dead Cells, stacking abilities can make the player feel like they are primed to run through all enemies and bosses with ease, as their sword slashes and bow shots can create insane combos. But these power fantasies only last for a couple levels, and there is always a reality check, leaving the player to calculate how they will attempt to break the game on their next run. It is a constant back and forth where power and humility are able to balance the player's expectations and drive. There are many necessary pieces that go into designing a roguelike, from procedural generation to dynamic narrative, but these three mark what I believe to be the most important in creating a replayable and fun experience.
Oh, there's our alarm. That means we are done streaming for today. And let's just submit this and we'll go on our way. Hide this from label. Let's save, and I think that's it. And next day we will start working on the tutorial, because my wife been telling me to do so, and I recently saw a chart in Facebook that after adding tutorial, his retention rate of his game increased by a large margin. So I think tutorial is necessary. At first I thought nah, I want the player to figure out the game by themselves, but a tutorial doesn't seem a bad idea. And I have seen player play the game in different ways. Some tried to monopolize the chicken, some tried to earn money using the egg, someone tried to boom the industry with meat machine. So I felt like if I introduce a tutorial, then I'll take away the creativity of the gamers. But so I have to be careful about how you wanna introduce the tutorial. It should be subtle enough to let players know how to play the game, but shouldn't be difficult or too much info so that player loses their interest and creativity on how to continue playing the game. So okay, let's try. Okay, we have chicken here, props, the balloon, and there we go, and there we go. We don't have enough money for removing them. Nice. We are soon going to remove these orange balls. These are spawn point of the fox. I think we don't need them anymore, but let's put it to the add list here. Remove the orange spheres of fox spawn point. There we go, and that's it. Whew. What a stream, and what a terrific audience. I had in the least views today, like 3 total views, and average view duration was 5 minutes. Damn, 2 hours of streaming and average view is 5 minutes, indicating that I'm a bad stream guy, but not giving up yet. So where's my in stream button? Okay, Goodbye.